Hi everyone, Teacher Michelle is at her house. Can you tell what room I'm at in my house? What do you think happens in this room? Did you say it's the laundry room? Because that's where I'm at. In the laundry room at my house, I have a washer and a dryer. And that is how I keep my clothes clean. When I lived in a place where I didn't have a washer and dryer, I had to go to a place called a laundromat. And I have a story about a laundromat. But now I live somewhere where I have a washer and a dryer at my house. So we are studying clothes. And one thing about clothes is you have to take care of your clothes. And just like you take care of your body and take care of your hands and you take care of other things by keeping them clean, you also have to take care of your clothes by keeping them clean. So today is Wednesday at my house. Wednesday's wash day. Wednesday is wash day. They both start with W. And so I thought I'd have you come in and see how you could help in your family with wash day. So on the ground, one of the first things I do when I'm getting ready to do laundry is I sort some piles because you can't put all the laundry together in one. It's not always good for the clothes. So I have a number 1, a number 2, and a number 3. And I might have more piles than that, but I thought I'd start with 3. So it was snowy this last week and my family went outside. And when we went outside in the snow, we noticed we got a little bit dirty. So I have some special clothes. Do you see what these special clothes are? These special clothes for our snow pants. Can you hear that sound? They're made of a fabric that kind of keeps the wetness away or repels, like kind of like a rain jacket. It keeps you dry when you're in the snow. Now, snow isn't quite as wet as rain. Only when it melts then it becomes water. But these keep you warm and dry when you're playing in the snow. So we have 2 hats. So I'm going to make 1 pile of my special clothes because I don't wash those with other clothes. 1 pile of snow things. So that's number 1. I have 2 pairs of snow pants and 2 hats and a pair of gloves. And then when I was looking for some gloves, I found something funny I thought I'd show you. Look, I found 3 black gloves. Gloves are a place for your thumb and all your fingers. Look what I found. I found an old pair of my son's gloves in our snowy winter clothes bin. And I found no matches, but I found a large one, a medium one, and a small one. And I just thought that was kind of funny. I'm going to wash them. Maybe I'll bring them to school and we'll play with them. Okay, there's 1 pile. So here's my bag. Here's my basket of laundry. I see some different things in there we could sort by. We could sort by pattern. There's a pattern. There's a stripe pattern. Oh, those are kind of interesting. Let's talk about these. Sometimes it's fun when you're doing your laundry to measure and compare which sock is longer. They're both striped. They both have a pattern, but one is longer than the other. Yeah, this one is longer. You know what? It's almost, here, let's measure. It's almost 1, 2, it's almost twice as long. So you can compare and measure and you can match together. This doesn't look like a match because they're not the same color, but they really do go together. So I'm going to put those in the same laundry. So I'm noticing I have some colorful things. I have some white things and I have some dark or black things. That's how I sort my laundry. I do it whites, colors, and darks or blacks. So let's because when you wash your black clothes together, they keep their color longer. And when you wash white clothes together, then sometimes you can add a special detergent or bleach to keep them white. So I'm going to put you down here so you can see. You know what? I'm going to make a special pile. I'm going to pile number number 4 is going to be my winter clothes, okay? I'm going to bring you down here so you can see a little bit better. I'll be back. So there's my 3 piles. So I have something white, so I'm going to put those in pile 1. And then I ask myself, is this light or white, or is this colorful, or is this dark or black? Yes, it's colorful. I'm going to put it in pile 2. Does this go in the light, the white, or the colorful? Light, white, dark, black, or colorful. This is black. I'm going to make a new pile. So then you and your child can just talk about which one belongs. Now, this one has black in it and color. So then you have to decide, do you want to put it in the black pile, number 3, or the colorful pile? I'm going to put it in the colorful pile. That's number 2. Okay. So then I just take a moment and I sort them all out. Oh, here's some more white things. I'm going to put those in pile number 1. Oh, and this is white and black, so then I have to make a decision. Do you think it's darker, closer to being dark, or closer to being white? I wonder what you think. I usually put this in my colors or my whites, but I'm going to add bleach this time, so I'm not going to put this one there. I'm going to put this in my colors. And then I'm going to finish putting them in there. Oh, that's definitely colorful, even though it has white and black in it. And this is definitely have white and black in it, but I don't want to bleach it with that special detergent, so I'm going to put it in my colors. So once you get them all sorted out where you want them, here's another long sock. I like long socks, apparently. Ooh, and this is a rainbow. We love talking about rainbows. Let's see if it has all the colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. It does have all the rainbow colors. They're just not in order. Okay. So now that I've sorted all my laundry, another fun thing you can do with your child to bring some more learning in is you could count it. So something fun I like to do is I'm going to throw it into my laundry and throw it into my washer as I count. Are you ready? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10 and 11 and 12 and 13 and 14 and 15, and 16 and 17 and 18 and 19 and 20, but I have a few more. 21, 22, I had 23 things. So that is not quite a full load. So I'm going to go look around the house and see if I can find a load, because it's important to load your laundry, right? Not to waste water. But before I do that, I'm going to show you that I use liquid laundry soap. We used to use powder, but now we use liquid. It's more efficient and economical. So I'm going to measure just the right amount. So I measure right to this line. That's what it told me to do. So I'm going to measure out some soap for laundry detergent. And I'm going to add it where it tells me to. It tells me to add it in here, not just pour it in. It tells me to follow the directions for right here. And then I'm going to close it. Now remember, I'm going to go find some more laundry, so I'm not going to start it right now. Is your washing machine loud? This one's pretty quiet, but I've had some loud ones in the past that makes a lot of noise. So that's why I shut the door. Let me see. I don't know if you can really see. Do you see the knobs over there? So I turn on the washer and the knob says you're going to do, I didn't do darks. I didn't do whites. I did colors. So I'm going to find that on here. And I'm going to push the color. And I'm going to push the go button. That tells me it's going, but I'm going to go look for some more laundry to fill that up. So that's how you can have fun and show your child how to be helpful around the house and to do some counting and comparing, which is math. So it's a fun way to bring all of that learning into a regular everyday thing like laundry. I do have a book I'm going to read, and I'll incorporate it into this week, called Wash and Dry.